Welcome everybody. Today we're going to be playing a new game called Foundry. Now, I'm just going to quickly go over some things here. So I looked a bunch of stuff up, not really like how to play the game or what the game's about. I know it's like Satisfactory, but nothing like that. I just kind of was curious about this frequency and richness thing. I basically went into my chat GPT and said, hey, I want to play this game for about 100 hours, maybe more. What should I have my resources, richness at, and frequency? They told me not to change any of the frequency, but they said increase the richness depending on how long you want to play. So if they say like between 20 and 40 hours, they say about 125. You can even stick with 100. If you wanted to play longer games, 175 to 200 was great. Anything above 200 basically means you would never have to move, and it would basically be like a creative light game, and I didn't want that. So we're going to start at 175, and we're going to hope it all works out. I've never played this before, so bear with me, guys. Hopefully it's not too bad. We're going to name it Pandemonium. This is what we did. We're just going to pick Foundry because it's the basic one. We're going to start it up. So this game is going to be probably one of my primary games on my channel now for a little bit, because it's one of those games I've always really wanted to play. We're obviously going to keep updated with the Alchemy Factory content as well, but because Alchemy Factory has kind of been dying off, I may start switching around to different games, and we'll see which one picks up any traction. But I still want to be playing a lot of Alchemy Factory. So before we get too far into the video, feel free to hit that bottom right button, guys, and see if you guys want to subscribe to anything. Oh, Xeno scraps, that's cool, whatever that is. So M is our map key. We got some nodes, cool. Ore scanner. How do I open my tab? B is my backpack. Ore scanner, I'm assuming it says, I don't know what that Xeno scrap is. I'm assuming we just click it. Nice. Oh, well, that's easy. There's one there, and well, one right here. Xeno for, yep, this is one of the ones we gotta mine. So let's mine away. Oh, 25 right away. Holy moly. Oh, so the big nodes give you 25, the small nodes give you 12 or 8. Oh, okay, never mind. It's all just randomized. Well, to be fair, I'm gonna mine all of it because I'm not a big fan of having to look at my mines or my nodes with these things sticking out of it. We're just going to mine all of it. Yeah, it shouldn't take too much longer. Probably get about 300 or so. Cool. I don't really know what it's for, but I'm assuming this is probably one of those ingots. Probably each one of these materials is to make something, like iron and copper. So yeah, guys, if you guys want to, feel free to hit, like I said, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment just hit the bottom right corner. If you guys don't want to, just visit my channel, Shika Gamings, at Shika Gamings, you know, the YouTube one. I have a Discord if you guys want to join that all up. That has a lot of Alchemy Factory stuff currently, but it basically just gives you guys updates when I'm going live with my videos. Cool. Now I need some technium. Technum means this stuff. This is the blue ore from the blue veins. So we're gonna get all this stuff. Boo boo boo. Is so far from what I've realized. Oh. Nope. I'm ignoring that for a minute. Okay, there we go. Plates and rods. Wait, the drop HUD gets built. That's freaking cool. Just have a free smelter on the drop. What is that? Oh no, that's not an ore. That's a broken piece. Boom, boom, boom. I think there's a day and night cycle in this game. I really wish I could turn off the night cycle. I may end up looking up a mod to maybe get rid of the night cycle. We'll see. I'm not sure if there's any benefit in this game for night cycle. Like, I know some games, obviously, like zombie games and stuff like that, you gotta be careful of that. Is that all of the blue? That's all the blue. Okay, what do I do? Just click it? Oh, wow, super simple. That was super simple. Cool. Oh, we have lots of ore too. Lots of ore to get some rods and some plates. So we're just gonna basically let it get up to 10 and then take the 10, and then move on to the next objective. But yeah, guys, so Foundry, like I said, is going to be the next game that I play for a while. I'm going to keep up with Alchemy Factory, probably start a different series, still continue the one plot challenge. But the no customers, I feel like it's about time we do that. We take that, and we need to craft 30 building blocks. So I'm assuming, okay, so our B is where all our crafting is. What does F1 do? Oh, each thing has, wait, so do these have like a fuel then? Or just a big weight? Okay.
suggest starting with that.
Oh, okay. So the orange ore will be in higher demand. So that's okay. Okay. We're gonna build a block. What do we get for this? 20? 20. That's not enough. I need one more then. Boop. Boop. Let's actually build. See if we can save up a little bit. Orange. Kind of want to build a base with the building blocks. What are these? These give you biomass. Well, that was weird. That tree just kind of like shattered. So what we want to do is the other blue ore is over there. I think I just want to build a line of buildable stuff. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We're going to do 15 probably by 15 or so. Which does mean we do need a lot of freaking building blocks now that I think about it. Am I wrong? I think I'm wrong by my math. I think that's 15 by 16. It's okay, we're just going to dig a hole. For now, at least. Oh, it's definitely not going to be a 15 by 15. Whatever. I just like building things on top of platforms. I guess I could have just built it on top of the dirt itself. But honestly, I feel like that's just a waste of time. So we're just going to mine this dirt out because I would want to do it in the future. And we're just going to basically rip some stuff on top of this dirt. And we'll see, or build whatever this is. I'm curious if it has a drag and drop, which I hope it does. Like I said, I've literally watched like no content of this. I just know that I've looked up a couple things on ChatGPT and it was more just to set up my world. I wonder if you can customize your colors too. I bet you could probably customize your colors by just looking at your drop pod. That'd be kind of cool. I'd like to be a green robot with a green mining drill. So yeah, guys, another thing is there might be another video coming out. Probably you guys should see it. If you guys are seeing this video on the 28th of February, it'll probably be, the video might be coming out a couple hours after. I'm not 100% sure yet. If it does, it's basically a video of play these demos while the Steam Next is out. And there's like 10 demos in there with some gameplay that I've played that are all really, really good. Some of them are automation games, some of them are not. But most of them I could probably just mention if I'm being honest with you guys. Nice, so we've built a hole. Got our plates and stuff, so let's just build a lot of this. I'm just gonna build all of our rods and stuff into building blocks. Oh, maybe not actually. Holy moly, we do not need that much. Let's just stick with 200 for now. I don't even think we need this much, but how did I get rid of that? V. Okay, tab. It is a little weird to have the tab key what switches everything over, but it's not a big deal. We just do... Yeah, there is a drag and drop. Oh, I love it. It even tells you 12 by 16.
To automate ore extraction, we need to set up a drone miner. Craft one and place it on top of your foundation, right next to the ore patch.
So place it on top of my foundation, next to the drone patch. Okay. Not on top of the drone or the patch, next to it. Okay. Yeah, a little bit more, I think. Here we go. Okay. And now we need to build this. We need machinery parts. And machinery parts are made from xenoferrite plates. Okay, so we just basically need plates. Okay, so we're going to build one of these. Oh, it just crafts it all for you. Well, that's cool. I like that concept, where you just click it, and everything else just kind of crafts for you. And this is how many. Okay, so 50.
Drone
That's
miners
like.
and most other buildings require power to function. Let's build a biomass generator.
So we're missing a little bit of
Foundation
foundation.
drone
So
miner.
does it all have to be on
Once built,
foundation?
You need to harvest some plants and trees
Let's
with your
see.
mining drill to collect biomass. Insert the biomass
It does
into
all
the
have to be.
generator,
Okay.
and it will start to power all buildings on the same foundation as the generator.
That's not the end of the world. There we go. So that now it's on foundation. Now we have to craft a biomass burner. Okay. Again, we'll just click the biomass burner. I don't know. Maybe we'll place it probably right here. Okay. And then. Oh. So it tells you how much. 200 kilowatts. How much is this thing? This thing produces 600. Okay, so you can either enter it manually or just okay, nice.
Go watch your mining drones acquire your first automated ore. Aren't they beautiful? Anyways, we need to get going. Let's build a smelter next.
Maybe let's get a bit more of this biomass. It doesn't, you know. Oh, here we go. Look at our drones. It's getting some more. That's so cool. That's really cool. Okay, now we need to craft a... Oh, we need more stuff. Holy crap. Okay. So basically, we just always seem to need these. Okay. I'm glad that we mined a bunch. So we need 4 machine parts, which, of course, to do that, you need 1 xenoferrite. So you basically need like 8 plates here. There we go. So it's going to build our wire and everything for it. This is kind of cool. Does it tell you how much ore we have? Oh, 80. Okay. And we got to place our smelter. Oh, it's a 2x2. Okay, cool. Panel. Maybe.
Is more efficient than the inbuilt drop pod smelter.
Okay, and now we have to craft some loaders. Okay, so later loaders and conveyors. Okay, what are these?
We can automate the
Of course.
smelters to make our life easier.
Everything seems to just need these things right here.
By using loaders and conveyor belts.
So 1, 2,
Let's start by crafting the required
and we'll wait for a few more to
2
craft.
loaders, 1 for the smelter,
Put some more in there. We don't have a lot left, but put some more in there.
While you're crafting those, let us recap the plan. We will set up a basic factory to provide us with the most crucial resources to get started. Then
Okay.
look at getting the space station up and running again.
There's a
so that we
space
can
station.
use it
That's
as a
pretty cool.
sales hub for our future products.
Should be 20 conveyors because it said 2 conveyors. So in the products there, it says 2 times conveyor 1. So I'm assuming that means every craft will give me 20 or 2, sorry. Okay.
Add the machines necessary to connect the drone miner to the smelter.
Press F2.
Attach a loader to each machine and connect them with conveyor belts.
Okay. Connect the drone by smelter by placing loaders. Okay, so we got our loaders and our belts. So the building needs to be on that side. Simple. Okay, that's not hard. Built. Output, no conveyor. Okay.
We can
Oh, that's amazing. Look at that.
the tedious process of moving items by hand. Isn't automation great?
Oh, now we have to
Now it's
craft
time
4
scale
more
up and
smelters.
build more smelters.
Well, guess what we need,
A
guys?
single belt full of ore can feed multiple smelters using the power of loaders. The info database has a diagram if you need one.
Okay.
A loader only adds enough items at a time to a machine to ensure it doesn't stop. This makes it easy for you to have multiple machines fed by a
Okay.
single long belt.
Oh, we probably need some rods now. Yeah, we're still short on these plates, man. We need lots and lots of plates, it seems. Okay, it's not the worst. Can I just place these like side by side? This? Yeah, I think that's what I can do. Well, I hope you guys don't hear my kids in the background. They are like losing their crap. Just got a message from my landlord, guys, saying, by the way, there's a bunch of cables outside the house, and I'm hoping to rip them out. And I'm like, well, one of them probably is my internet, so I'd prefer you not to. Okay.
We've completed our initial mission of setting up a smelting facility.
We don't have
We've done a great
loaders.
job, haven't we?
Need 3 more
Our
loaders.
business plan, new machine blueprints will be created from research. My archive contains plans for a research server. Through material analysis,
What is happening? Okay, so if I get all of these, then I can basically have...
we're going to need to notify the station of our planetary location. Let's get going and build a research server.
Wait, so how much does this... So wait, how much does this use? So this uses 20 per minute. And this... It's full. I wonder how much these run. Probably like 60 or something like that. It would make sense. I highly doubt there's enough now to do all that. Let's see. Because if they generate around like 80 per minute, it's pretty cool. Let's just give them a little bit of time to let them figure out this yield thing. Okay, craft a research server. Where's that? Structures. Of course, we need a bunch of plates. Always seems to be the thing. Place a research server on Foundation. Should be pretty easy. Another thing I got, guys, I set up my OBS properly. Pretty cool. I should be able to just transfer to different screens now whenever I want to show you guys something. Holy crap, this thing is massive. Okay. I don't know where to put this. Holy crap, that thing is massive.
To make science packs. Craft a few by hand and insert them into the research server. to
Craft
research
science
blueprint.
packs.
There is a previously prepared drop pod with an additional robot assistant.
1, 2,
We can call it
3.
beacon.
Insert science packs into the research server. Research emergency beacon. Okay. How is that? Is this keeping up? It yields about 70-ish per minute. So this is actually running too many. But it seems to have no issue running the 4, which is kind of weird. I think because it's like a poll, like not really a poll system like Star Rupture, but I think it's similar in that regard. Weird. Okay, so dump 3. Research emergency beacon. Okay, well that's simple. It's just gonna research. Easy peasy. Okay, cool. That's simple. So far, the game is pretty simple to understand, guys. Honestly, it says early access. Wait, is this still early access? No way. I guess they're doing updates and updates and updates until they feel like the game's ready and presentable, I guess. Machine, loader, belt, loader, machine. Pretty simple. Okay, so craft an emergency beacon and plate. Oh, ooh, yeah, we got one. Okay, we're gonna craft one of these. And then I guess once we do that, it's going to do something with it. Okay, so let's put it over here because it said not to place it in a spot where it will land on stuff. Okay.
Great. Now you might want to take a step back and look up.
Oh wow, so probably would have broken my stuff. Yeah.
Real groundbreaker.
Ow, made a big hole.
Command companion bureaucrat bot, C3BB for short, will help us with the administration of our factory. First,
Okay.
let's help him out of that drop pod by deconstructing and placing it in a safe location.
Place.
Welcome to the ground C3BB. We have completed setting up our...
Bro, look at this robot. He's so cute.
What's the situation on the space station?
Beep boop.
It's about to break apart, you say? Spontaneous explosive disassembly. That's extremely troubling. What now?
Okay.
There's a working construction drone bay
Okay.
to repair the station. Perfect.
Oh, so it kind of feels like Satisfactory in that regard too. When did this come out compared to Satisfactory, guys?
Research the space station terminal.
When did this game come out? Must have come out a while ago, right? Definitely been out for a while. Weird. Research. Oh, great. Okay, so how much is that going to cost me? 3A, so I need 3 of those science packs. I think that's what it said, right? Like if I go over it, it says requirements 3 and 15 seconds. Then it allows me to build construction material and thermalite bars. Okay, easy. So these are probably full now. That just basically loaded me up with plates. That's good. That's awesome. I need to set up another one. I need to set up a broad one or whatever, but I guess we'll probably get to that soon. Research interface. Okay. Okay, so it's going to do its thing. Kind of want to set up another one of these dig things, but that means I need to dig another hole over here. So let's maybe just do that while we're waiting for stuff. Okay, guys, we are back. So we got our techium rods kind of going. We had to manually mine some, which is not a big deal, but we did it all. Now what we need to do is we need to set up a small little smelter spot. And a couple of these. And just get one going. Oh, that work? That worked. Cool. Nice. And then we set up a second Bunsen burner or biomass burner over here. And it looks like our total wattage is I think 1200. So I'm not sure if you have to be super close to do that. But it says max output 600. That max output is 600 over there too. So yeah, we're working on it. We need to craft this thing. To do that, we need 2 emergency beacons. So 1, 2. 2 electronic components and 4 xenoferrite plates. That shouldn't be too bad. And then set up the company at the terminal. Initiate the emergency repairs on the space station. Okay. Cool. So we're just gonna wait in here to. We got 1 emergency beacon. Cool. Make sure we grab whatever rods we have left. Should we grab some rods from here? Place a space station terminal. Okay. How big is this thing? Oh, it doesn't look that big. Because I want more smelters to go right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So. Okay, we should be able to do. Just need 1 of these, so. Cool. And this. Okay, so we set it up. And. Oh, here we go. Ooh, we're going to call it the Panda Express. Actually, we're going to call it Panda Express. Green, because it's always my favorite color. This kind of looks like a Gundam. Oh wow, that's our space. Oh, that's so dope. Okay. We have a lot of debt. I just realized. Okay, so we contact it, initiate. Where do we initiate repairs? Oh, here we go. 400. Okay, nice.
Great. Our construction drones on the space station are working on their first station upgrade. This will take a bit.
What does it look like? Do you actually get to look at it and see? Bro, our thing is destroyed. Oh my god.
Right, C3BB. We need to automate research and unlock more technology before we can get serious on manufacturing our first.
Oh my god. Okay, wow, this is starting to get big, guys. Okay, here we go. So research the assembler 1. Okay, well let's.
Loaders to fully automate the process, and don't forget to automatically bring the science packs to the research server.
Okay, so wait. How do we make? So it's probably made in an assembler, which is fine. Let's. Don't have quite enough, so we gotta build these last 5, I think. It's a big platform, but you know, whatever. Here we go. Okay, everything is set up. Boom. Got a big old platform here now. Next, we need to build some more smelters. So what we need for that is probably these. 1, 2, 3. We need at least 3 more loaders. And we're probably going to need another biomass burner. Likely. And while all of that is crafting, we'll go grab more biomass. I'm assuming I'll be moving into actual power soon. Not that this biomass stuff is bad, honestly. It's not too bad. 600 for basically powers 4 smelters, a drone. Everything else I kind of need to do, so it's nice. Oh yeah. Look at our little factory. Oh, this game is so good. Oh, I'm definitely going to play this. This game's going to be hard to put down. So we're making some rods. Cool. So let's... 2. Nope. Mm-mm. That. We have our 3 loaders. We got our builds. Oh yeah, there we go. Get rid of some of this dirt so I don't have to worry too much about stuff. Beautiful. Look at all of this. Now, the only thing I'm not so sure about is the fact that I think I just realized that the only way to get this out is actually going through the back here. So, we're going to demolish that. Move it over here. We're going to do this. Because of what? If my brain's working properly, we obviously don't want it to go through every output. And by doing that, it allows us to get some of our stuff, our loaders out, which is good. Okay. Next. Research an assembler. What do we need? 3 packs? Hey, what do we got? Can we make that just in our inventory? Looks like we can. We'll just do that. Produce 20 science pack 1 in an assembler. So an assembler makes science packs. Okay. Easy. Easy. We don't really need this anymore. We're just committing to the pollution of the world, I guess. Lots of rods. Almost there. Let's just start it. There, that's starting that. Once we actually build it, of course. I can build 41 science packs now. Create a crate. These look like they're storage crates, which do I really need them yet? I don't think I do. At least not yet. They don't have loader support, so I don't care. I want loader support. There's an assembler 3. There's 3 different assemblers. You can make everything in these assemblers. Automate buildings. That's really cool. Okay, let's take a look at what this is. So, let's build an assembler. Still don't know what the Xeno scrap is. There we go. Crafting our assembler. Of course, this thing is massive. Why do I have a feeling that I'm going to have to connect every one of these builds? You know what? I just... man. My brain is like finally realizing what I might have done wrong with this setup. But you know what? It is what it is. Sometimes you just gotta live and learn, guys, right? Picked up more Xeno scrap, which is kind of cool. There we go. So we definitely just put a little bit of a build there, which is good. I want to demolish this. Put it over here for now. I want to put my assembler. I feel like just before it. Now we want it to make science packs. Now the only way to do that is you need mechanical plates. So wait, can this thing make mechanical plates too? parts? Oh, so you're telling me I have to build a third one of this? Okay, so I got to put 2 in. Bro, these things have 9 inputs, I just realized. Everything has like 9 inputs. A really cool concept. So basically we build an assembler that goes into another assembler. Know what I'm getting here? Because this needs to make... Actually, hang on. I need to probably build this a little bit further away than what I just did. So xerophyte plates. Which means I need to build loaders. I don't even know. I'll just build like 6 of these suckers. And I'll build... I don't know. Let's build another like 40 belt or something. Then I need to just... How's everything going over here for my burners, though? 69. Nice. Let's get rid of... Put that back up to 100. And put this thing back up to 100 as well. How's my grid working, though? Yeah, my grid's doing just fine. Cool. Sitting here just waiting. Waiting for our loaders, which we got now. So let's... I'm going to assume... something like that. Oh, wait. Hang on a second here. So, is there... It's an intake. Is there a difference between... Oh, hold. Okay. Oh, okay, so it needs to output this time. Output, output. Oh, that's not right spot. Whatever. No, I have to be... Okay, so those are all going to output plates onto this, into this thing. And then... this thing is going to output... So this is not 100% because I did not realize that you have to literally place loaders everywhere. This is definitely helping me out though for future builds though. Then this needs to be an input. This thing's going to take 2 things if I remember correctly. This thing needs rods at the same time. Means I need more of these. I just need a ton of these. Okay, and then loaders. Bro, this game is so amazing. I'm absolutely in love with this game right now. Can we like raise it or no? Hey. There we go. What? Oh no. Okay, so I gotta bring it out one more. There we go. Because this will make... Wait, am I crazy now, or... It makes two... It takes 2 minutes to produce a science pack? Okie dokie. That's gonna take a while. How many a minute does this thing make? 40 a minute, and this thing consumes 10 and 8. Hang on, guys. We are going to have to build bigger. I'm just realizing that this game is going to be the death of me. I have a weird thing with efficiency. And because of this, it's actually going to make it... I'm going to have probably a larger but not super large factory. So we can just produce, like I said, science packs at 1 for 2 minutes. Or we can build 4 of them and produce it 4 for 2 minutes. But yeah, let's do it. So first off, of course, we're going to need more building materials. To do that, we are going to need rods and some plates. Now we're going to build. We're just going to craft a bunch of them. Everything can be crafted. This game can be fully automated, it feels like, which is really freaking cool. Be like, oh, well, I want my basic building materials in this base. I want basic building materials in this base. Which is really, really cool. Let's take a look at our research interface just to take a peek here. So we want... Okay, so we got a bunch of building materials. Okay, so it looks like we got our little stuff over here. So we are going... What did we do? Oh, right. We did our emergency repairs. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, we did that. We need more of these. To do that, we need plates. Cool. Okay, so we got lots of plates. Let's grab a little bit more rods. We're definitely not using them a lot, but that's okay. So we want to build 4 of these, I think. We are producing a lot of rods, I just realized. But this will at least help out. And then we also want to produce 3 more assemblers. Yep. As I said, guys, this isn't going to be 100% effective. It's not a big deal. Okay, let's do our... Oh, we're not quite at the point of making those yet. Probably don't need the research servers. I don't know why I built 4 research servers. Actually, now that I look at it, I probably should have just built assemblers, which is what I'm doing, but I should have built just assemblers. Okay, there's one. Let's do this. Let's build our input loader here, input loader here, and input loader here. Let's put our belts. Nope. Let's put our belts all the way across here just because I know it's going to have to work. We're going to configure. Oh, no. We're going to configure science pack. Science pack. And science pack. Now, do I even have enough Bunsen's to actually burn this much stuff, or is... Yeah, we're working that. We got that. Space assemblers are only wow, they only burn 25, really? Actually kind of nuts. Is that just because it's the only one that's working though? Our assembler. 50. So we have 4, so this will be 200. We're definitely going to need another Bunsen, I think. Okay, we got to go grab some biomass, guys. Why do I say that? Because we're definitely going to need it to run a third Bunsen, or third burner. Now, to be fair, do I need to do this? No. Do you guys need to do this? Absolutely not. I'm doing it because I can't help myself. Now, am I trying to build a mega build right away? No. I'm just trying to build it efficiently. And efficiency is one of my biggest things in games that are automation. It's why I love playing automation games. Is I build for looks and I build for efficiency. So if it looks good and it's efficient, I'm happy. Okay, so we got our mechanical parts all crafting. All of our mechanical parts should be going in here. Definitely not going to be... Well, we're producing 40 minutes, so it should be basically just constantly going out, which is fine. Ow. So this just crafts 1 per. Interesting. Okay, so if we do this and pull this down here, what does this look like? Okay. Or we just drag it along the backside. Or we just do it on this side like I wanted to do. We have to dig out a double spot here, but it's not a big deal. I just realized it's been over an hour. We need to actually cut this recording off here. Because if not, these are going to be 2-hour-long videos, guys. I just kind of wanted to show you guys, showcase the game. I love this game. This game is, if you guys have not bought this, it is worth $40. Hands down. It's only Canadian, $40 Canadian, so obviously it might be a little bit different wherever you live. But it is so easily worth the money. Okay, so we want inputs. Input. No. F. Okay. And we want... Does it just go? It does go. Oh, oopsies. Okay, so 6. There we go. Okay, we got our slope up and down. Beautiful. We'll just drag all this way down. It'll be our rods. This will all be making... now the only negative thing that I have going on here is how do I get it all out? Did not think this through, guys. We like... No way. Man, okay. Hang on. So we bulk deleted everything. Now we need... Just realized what I did wrong there. So we need at least a double space in between every single one of these. I'm genuinely curious if sorry, I just wanted to get this research pack thing done. And then I was going to call it, but yeah, I don't know, guys. We're still going to keep going. We're going to get this strong video out of the way. I'm probably going to cut all of this dirt stuff out so you guys don't have to watch that. That's probably like maybe save me about 10 minutes of time. But I can't believe it. This is a game. Like, this game is so fun. It's like, it's not surprising that it's a game. It's just for something that's so easily done. I'm surprised I haven't played it before. We're going to go input, boop, input, 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 and we basically just got to extend the belt here. That's all we're doing. That's super simple. Input, 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 and just continue on our belt here. That's not bad. That's super simple. Now... I've researched things here, so set up 2 for now. We're gonna set up so they're input. Whoops, set them up wrong. There we go. Now what we want to do is we need to set up, we need to build a few more loaders. So we need 1, 2, 3 more loaders. What we want to do is this one has, no, this one's our mechanical parts. This doesn't matter. Yeah, we have to build it this way, right? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, slope up and a belt here. these are supposed to be outputs. Output. Can I just replace stuff? No, I don't think I can. Okay. Output, and we got to put a belt in here. Belt. And then we need to also put in slope. And then from here, oh no, oh, will it just auto do? Do we have to build? Do we have to build like constructor things or no? Okay, that worked. So if we do this, nope. We do this and then this, that'll connect right to it, right? Oh, this is amazing. I do not have enough. I just realized I need more xenophyte plates. What do you mean? What? Oh. Literally dished our whole plate out from the other side. Okay, that's cool. Okay, and then... Is this the most effective way, guys? Absolutely not. Boom. It's ugly, but it's mine. So we have basic infrastructure on one. Or do we have to do both on both? Okay, guys, so we're just going to quickly finish up some quick research here. So we have to get our ignitium ore scanner done to get our burner generator. Now, this is it. It's ugly. It's definitely not efficient because I wasn't, like I said, I'm quite new to the game. But now that I see how it works is you can have it so that one side is outputs, one side is inputs. Which I should have done from the start. Now, is it a big deal? No, it still looks kind of cool. It's not the worst. I probably could have made it come up a little high. Yeah, it is what it is. Honestly, the belt looks really cool. I don't mind it. It's not the best looking, but for now it works until I just want to basically delete the whole factory again and redo it all. So yeah, we're going to be researching our ore scanner ignitium. What's this? All right, we did our scanner thing. Let's talk to this dude. What's up? Okay, we did this. Beep boop.
Danger averted.
With the station secured. Okay.
We can shift our focus back to the factory. Good job.
Cool. We're just going to wait for the burner generator to be done, and then we're going to call it. So if you guys like this type of content, if you guys liked this type of video, I need to get lights. Please tell me there's like lights or something I can eventually build. I don't know. I hope there's lights, because the only thing that's light up right now are these research centers. It's because it has like these blue lights on the back. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys enjoy all the fun stuff that's about to come. Please look forward into this series. Please look forward to the Alchemy Factory coming, and a couple other games that are going to be coming. I will do my best to edit a video out so that you guys can see the demo video, and I'm also going to make a quick video for Alchemy Factory cauldron recipes and a video for some basic blueprints for Alchemy Factory. But yeah, we are going to stop here. We're at the hangar bay, which is funny because I'm already repairing the hangar bay. But whatever, we didn't even plan that. We did not plan that, but it is what it is. So this is the game, Foundry. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's such an amazing game. It's a lot of fun. Yeah, that's pretty much all I can say about it, guys. I hope you guys continue to watch it with me as I play. And from there, we will see what happens. Yeah, this has been Sheikah. I will see you guys in episode 2. Peace out.